Okay, class. Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? We have to start our new chapter. Chapter number 3, matter. Open page number 24. Open page number 24. What is matter? Matter क्या है? What is matter? Yes, Ibrahim. Yes, Ibrahim.
Miss,
You hear my
I have
voice?
my book right now. Yes. Miss,
Yes.
Miss, I don't have my book right now. It's gone for checking.
If you don't have any book, you have to read from the screen share with my book, okay?
Okay, Miss.
Yes, Filza. Turn on the cameras. Turn on the cameras. Okay. Do this warm up. Color the sky with a blue crayon. You have to color the sky. This is the sky. Yes, Filza?
Teacher, I have also give my book to the school for checking.
No issue. You have to read your new chapter with myself. Okay? Be attentive. Do this warm up. Color the sky with a blue crayon. This is all the sky except the stars and the moon. You have to color this whole box with the blue crayon. Okay? Okay. The name of the chapter is What is matter? What are substances made for? After you have finished coloring, observing the tip of the crayon, what do you see? The shape of the tip has become flat. Yes, when we use the crayon in a task, we notice that the tip of the crayon becomes flat. Why? What's the reason why it be flattened? Why? It is because some of the particles of the crayon passed on the surface of the particle of the paper as a result of rubbing. This shows that the crayon is made up of smaller particles. Yes, we know that everything is made up of smaller particles. Everything is made up of an atom. What is an atom and what is the element? What is the matter? These are the questions which we have studied in this chapter. Similarly, you can crush a piece of coal or stone into a few little powders. Yes, when we crush the crayon, we have seen that there is a small particles on a paper surface. We noticed that these surfaces are of, these are the small particles like a rice, like a wheat grains. But these particles we see are not the smallest particles of us. जो चीज हमें नजर आती है लेकिन वो इतनी छोटी नहीं होती. When we see it from the microscope, it is a very big thing. Atom is a very big thing. In fact, all the substances are made up of tiny particles that cannot be seen by our eyes. The things which cannot be seen with our eyes are called atoms or molecules. These are the smallest atoms and the molecules. How is the substance formed? Substance are formed by the tiny particles which are called atoms and the molecules. What are atoms? An atom is defining a structure of an element which cannot be broken by any chemical means. A typical atom consists of a nucleus of a protons and a neutrons with the electrons orbit is around. Yes. What is atom? What is the structure of the atom? There is a round shape in which there is a small circle which is called a nucleus, and the outer shell or a orbit there is a electron, and in the nucleus there is a proton also. There are three types of elements which are defining the structure of the atom are protons, neutrons, and electrons. Protons and neutrons are in the nucleus and electrons are orbit around the nucleus. और electrons जो है वो हमारे nucleus के इर्द गिर्द rotate करते हैं, orbit करते हैं. You have to underline it. A typical atom consists of a proton, neutron with electrons orbits its nucleus. Okay. Now open page number 25. Open page number 25. We read that what are atoms? Atoms are the smallest particles of an element which is made up of protons, neutrons, and electrons. Tell me, Ibrahim, how atom is formed? Tell me. Tell me how electrons is formed.
Miss.
Yes. Abdullah Yas, be attentive. Tell me, Ibrahim.
Miss, I can't like Miss आपकी आवाज भी कट के आ रही है तो like मुझे आपसे
आपको मेरी आवाज नहीं आ रही?
हाँ मिस, जब आप मुझे like समझा रही थी तो like इलेक्ट्रॉन्स का तो मुझे आपकी आवाज like कट के आ रही थी.
Okay. I divide it again. What are atoms? Atoms are the smallest particles which are made up of three particles. Name, electron, proton, and then neutron. These are the three main substances the atom contains. Okay, Ibrahim?
Yes.
Okay. The proton and neutrons are in the nucleus, while the electrons are orbiting, means revolving around the nucleus. इलेक्ट्रॉन क्या करते हैं? न्यूक्लियस के इर्द गिर्द घूमते हैं. और न्यूक्लियस में कौन कौन से होते हैं? प्रोटॉन एंड न्यूट्रॉन. ओके, व्हाट आर मॉलिक्यूल्स? अब मॉलिक्यूल्स क्या है? मॉलिक्यूल्स वो हैं जो एटम से मिलके बनते हैं. The molecules are those which containing the same properties. ये देखिए. A molecule is the smallest particle like a atom of a substance that shows all the properties of a substance. For example, each molecule of water shows all the properties of water. Yes. What is molecule? Water is a molecule because water is formed by combining the three atoms, 2 hydrogen atom and 1 oxygen atom. Hydrogen and oxygen when combined, the water is formed because water is a molecule and hydrogen and oxygen are the atoms. Okay. All the substances are made up of molecules. A substance has only one type of molecule, but the molecules of one substance are different from an other substance. For example, as shown in the figure, A and B are two different substances. They're both made up of molecules. Substance A has one type of molecule and substance B has one type of molecule. But the molecules of substance A and B different from each other. Yes, I told you, you look at this diagram, there are two substances, substance 1 and B. A and B both are the molecules. ये दोनों molecules हैं, लेकिन ये दोनों एक दूसरे से different हैं. Substance A में सारे same है और substance B में सारे same है. लेकिन substance A और substance B एक दोनों से different है. This defines the properties of molecules. States of matter. Matter की कौन सी states होती हैं? All substances are also called matter. Matter की states कौन सी होती हैं? Some matter are solid, some matters are liquid, some matters are in gaseous form, are gases. What are the solids? Our book, our laptop we are using here. Everything are the solids. What are the liquids? Juices, water, these are the forms of liquid. And what are the gases? Air is the main natural gas. Air is a main natural. What are the solids? We know that the solid have a hard, solids are hard and a definite shape. उनकी shape होती है, वो hard होते हैं, उनके अंदर बहुत सारी forces होती हैं that can interact with each other. So the molecules in solids are closely packed together. There is no space. Look at this diagram. This is a solid. There is no space in any substance of the solid because it has a definite shape and it is a hard. Solid have a definite means shape, size and volume. Volume means they have weight. What are liquids? Liquids are these are the substances, but there is a space in these substances. Look at this. These are the spaces in these substances. That's why they are liquid, because they are freely among themselves. Liquid do not have shape. Liquids की कोई shape नहीं होती, but or size, but have a definite volume. लेकिन उनका weight होता है. Volume is weight. But liquids have a definite volume. Usman Aslam, please turn on the camera. What you don't understand, tell me. What you don't understand?
तो मुझे ये नहीं समझ आया जो आप ऊपर बता रही थी, ये न्यूट्रिएंट ऐसा कुछ था, न्यूट्रिएंट के आसपास घूमता है.
What you tell me? Abdullah Yaz, be attentive and be settled. Okay, now some are the solids, some are the liquids, and some are the gases. Now we have to read the gases. What are the gases? Gases are also substances. Yes, gases. Substances which are in air. The substances which are in air, like form that is neither solid nor liquid, are gases. ना वो solid होते हैं, ना वो liquid होते हैं. They are called, we call them gases. There are very little forces. You have to look this diagram. There are many spaces or the gap between the substances of the gases. There are very little forces which carries them together. So the molecules in the gas are far apart. They can freely move about in any direction. When kept in a closed container, they take up all the space around. The space between the molecules also keep changing, hence They neither have a definite shape nor do they have a definite volume. Gases do not have a definite volume and gases do not have a shape. Only solids have a shape, only solids have a volume and a size. Liquids don't have any shape, but they have a volume because they have a weight. When we take some juice, we feel its weight. That's why I told you the liquids have a weight. And gases do not have any shape, not any weight, or not any volume. Okay, now take the correct sentences and cross out the wrong ones. Do it. Now you know on page number 26. Molecules of matter are large enough to be seen with the naked eyes. False. No, we cannot see from the naked eyes. False. First, false. Molecules of glass are different from molecules of wood. Yes, it's true. The space between molecules never changes. It's false. It maybe changes. First, false. Second, true. Third, false. The fourth one, the attraction between molecules of a solid is more than that of liquid. Yes, I told you that the solids have a definite shape and there are many forces of attraction which are larger than that of liquids. That's why it is true. Yes, Usman?
मेरे पास ना बुक नहीं है वो ना स्कूल में सबमिट होने गई है.
Yes, I know. When you have book, you have
video.
Okay. Now we have to read about the change of a state. Yes. जब हम लोग किसी चीज सॉलिड को हम गर्म करते हैं वो लिक्विड में चेंज हो जाती है और उसी के बाद जो लिक्विड है वो गैस में चेंज हो जाती है. These are the changes of the states. These are the states. Solid when heating it is converted into liquid and liquid when heating it is converted into gas. Okay, let us take an example of an ice. Ice is a solid. I told you ice. बर्फ जो है वो एक solid है. When we heat the ice, it melts. It is converted into water. Water is a liquid. And when we heat up the water, it boils. And when it boils, it is converted into gas. Now you have to read this paragraph. We have already studied that water exists in all three forms. A solid in its ice form, liquid or a gas, water vapors or steams. These three forms of water are interchangeable means there are change in between these three states कि ये आपस में एक दूसरे के साथ चेंज कर जाते हैं जब हम पानी को गर्म करते हैं, जब हम आइस को गर्म करते हैं वो पानी बन जाती है. जब हम पानी को गर्म करते हैं then it boils, it is converted into gaseous form, it is converted into gas. Now take the now we are on third line. Many other substances to change their state when they are heated or cooled. When they are heated or cooled. But the temperature at which they change their state is different from different substances. Yes. When we change the temperature, the states are interchangeable, means the states are changed. But the temperature we kept for these changes are different. हम different temperature पे इनको change करते हैं. Temperature हम same नहीं रखते, क्योंकि टेम्परेचर मैटर नहीं करता इनकी स्टेट्स को चेंज करने के लिए. When matter is heated or cooled, the spaces between the molecules change. The molecules neither more closer away from each other. This results in a change of a state. When a substance is heated, look at this flow chart. When the solid is heating, it is converted into liquid. When the liquid is heating, it is converted into gas. Yes, Filza?
Nothing, teacher.
Yes, Filza? Yes, Filza, tell me. Yes, Filza, tell me. Filza, please unmute. Filza, click the unmute button. You don't have. Okay. Alifia? Yes, Alifia?
Teacher, what page it is?
Yes, Alifia, tell me how these substances are changed in other form. Tell me.
By heating.
Yes, by heating. Tell me the name of 3 substances. Solid,
Heating, liquid. Solid,
Liquid.
liquid, gas.
and gases. Well done. Tell me their interchangeable activity, how it is can be changed. Yes, Fatma. Yes, Fatma. Fatma, speak loudly.
Teacher,
Yes.
what question?
Yes, bete.
What did you ask?
I asked, name the 3 substances. Matter किस बताएं substances कौन कौन से हैं?
Solid, liquid, gas.
Yes, states हैं ये तो. स्टेट्स, अब इनका बताएंगे हाउ इट कैन बी इंटरचेंजेबल, ये कैसे एक दूसरे के साथ चेंज होती
Teacher,
है.
by heating and cooling.
ओके, आप मुझे कोई एग्जांपल दें कि ये कोई एग्जांपल ऐसी बताएं जो सॉलिड भी हो, लिक्विड में चेंज हो जाए, फिर देन गैस में.
Teacher, ice. If we heat the ice, it will change into liquid, and if we heat the liquid, then it change into gas.
Steam, yes, steam is a gas because it converted into air. Okay, tell me, just revise this last topic. Tell me what is atom? Atom किस चीज
Teacher,
से बनते हैं, बताएं.
atom is made by protons,
Yes,
neutrons, and electrons.
yes, protons, electrons and then neutrons. बताएं protons और neutrons कहाँ पर होते हैं.
Teacher,
प्रोटॉन्स एंड न्यूट्रॉन्स न्यूक्लियस के अंदर होते हैं, और जो इलेक्ट्रॉन्स हैं वो न्यूक्लियस के बाहर मूव कर रहे होते हैं.
yes.
ओके,
Okay, teacher.
ओके, वेल डन. अब मुझे बताएं सॉलिड की शेप और सॉलिड वॉल्यूम है. इस सॉलिड
Solid
में
का
शेप और वॉल्यूम.
टीचर सॉलिड की शेप तो है लेकिन उसका वॉल्यूम नहीं है.
नो बेटे, सॉलिड्स हैव अ शेप, सॉलिड हैव अ वॉल्यूम because
how?
it is hard. Liquid have a volume. Volume
Yes.
is weight. Tell me, is liquid has volume?
Yes, teacher.
Yes, liquid
But
has
it doesn't have a shape.
But tell me about the gases.
Teacher, gas does not have any volume or a shape.
Yes, gases की ना कोई shape है ना volume है. लिक्विड का वॉल्यूम है लेकिन शेप नहीं है क्योंकि लिक्विड फ्लोज. ओके,
Okay.
यस इब्राहिम, यस इब्राहिम.
Miss what?
Tell me about the states of the matter.
Miss what?
Solids, yes, solids.
Solids. Miss. Miss,
Yes, Fiza.
solid have.
Teacher, solid, liquid, and gas. Teacher.
Yes, Filza. Speak loudly.
Solid, liquid, and gas.
Yes. Liquid, solid, and gases are the three states of matter. Okay.
Teacher, आपकी आवाज क्या आ रही है?
I didn't hear your voice, Filza.
टीचर आपकी आवाज रुक रुक के आ रही है.
Yes, Fatma.
Nothing, teacher. I forgot to lower my hand.
Okay, class. It's enough for today. We have continue our chapter in the next class. You have to mention the dates at page number 26. You have to mention the date at page number 26. We have to continue from this page. It's enough for today. Is there any question? Please tell me. Yes, Filza. Yes, Filza.
टीचर ये चैनल अपलोड होगा यूट्यूब पे?
Yes.
ये अपलोड होगा यूट्यूब पे, क्योंकि मेरे पास बुक नहीं है और फिर मैं जब बुक आएगी तब उस पे लिखना है ना, इसलिए मैंने
Filza, I don't hear your voice.
टीचर ये चैनल अपलोड होगा?
Yes,
टीचर
Filza.
ये यूट्यूब पे अपलोड होगा?
Yes, bete.
ओके।
Okay, class, it's enough for today. We will continue our chapter from page number 27 in the next class. Okay. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.